So this is mukbang video. Please like and subscribe me video channel awo.
Guys, today we have to eat this gummy and there's a marshmallow. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Let's start. So let's start. Let's eat first this. This is flavor strawberry and it. Yummy. This is a cola. Wait. So I'm gonna eat jelly beans. This one. Shame. And so we have to eat this R later. I mean A R. It looks like R. Ang kuyama na. It's funny. It's so sweet. Let's go. So we have to try now this one. This is gummy. There's a sugar. Yum. We have to eat this melon. So that this is lemon. It's melon. This is strawberry. Yummy. Delicious. So we have to eat again this one. It's so very yummy. This is it. So we have to eat. We have to drink water. So we have to eat this one melon. And we have to eat this. I have to eat this. Faster!
Bye guys, and please like and subscribe my video.